from arabnoy kitchen. For today's video, I want to make cream caramel or Arabic leche plan. So let's start for our ingredients for today. So we have to use this mixing bowl. I have 5 eggs, also 5 rainbow milk, Evap, and then also I have saffron, I have sugar 3/4 cups, rose water, and cardamom powder. So first guys, we have to combine our rose water and this saffron. I will put like this. And then we have to put the egg in a mixing bowl. The 5 eggs. And then the milk. We have to put all together. And I will put the 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. And then this saffron. And this sugar. The 1 glass of this one I will put here. And this one I will put in. I will make it caramel. So now guys, we have to make a caramel. This one. Sugar caramel. Make it brown. So guys, this is now my caramel. So let's wait to become a little bit brown, and we have to put our mixture. We have to put now our caramel here inside.